So hi guys, when you've been out for the day, sledging and in the snow, well, and your clothes are all wet, what you need is a PulleyMaid. The PulleyMaids, you put your clothes on, leave them overnight and then they dry. So I'll show you that now. All those clothes there, hung up overnight to dry on hooks, completely dry. So this is what I use to dry everything out after we've been out in the snow. All the gloves, hats, yeah, all completely dry today. Absolutely brilliant. Brilliant PulleyMaid. This is how it connects. Up there. Across there. Down. To attachment on the wall. So thanks for watching and we shall see you in the next video.
Bye. Bye.